Today I'm going to show you how to download your recordings from StreamYard. So we have our StreamYard studio over here and we have not yet gone live, but we want to actually go and record, okay? So let us go ahead and click on record. Now, once we click on record, we'll be prompted to add in a video intro if we want to, but for now we're going to just click on record. It'll take a few seconds just to get ready. It's now saying recording started, and you can see that there's a timer up on the top left over here, and you can see where it used to say record, it says end recording. Now, click on that end recording, click on here, and now you have recorded something in the studio, and you can go down on the right hand side, click on recording, and there's a few things that you can do here. Of course, we can embed and share this. We can view it in our library. We can click on edit, which will throw this into our editing studio and allow us to edit it, make any changes, add overlays, background music, cut it, whatever it is that we need to do with it. And then once we're done, we are simply going to click on download. Now you can download the recording, you can download audio only, or you can even download the transcript in VTT format or TXT format. So whatever it is that you need to go and do, go and click on the blue download button just to the right over here, and you've then downloaded your recording.